Many obligations repeat: a monthly filing, a quarterly board pack, an annual renewal. Instead of creating them one by one, we make them recurring. We start a new reminder. We give it a first due date, then set it to repeat. We choose monthly, and once it repeats, we can cap it with an end date or a maximum number of occurrences. ZetaFisc anchors each new date to the original due date, so a filing due on the 10th never drifts. We create it. When we complete each month's reminder, ZetaFisc automatically opens the next one, on schedule. For obligations you set up again and again, templates save even more time. We open templates. We give the template a name, a category, and a default checklist, written once. Next time we create a reminder, all of this is pre-filled. And we save the template.